Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I'm happy to share with you my Durban crab curry. Please look down below in the description for all the ingredients. Let's get cooking. Everybody makes their crab curry differently. I like to dry fry my Methi seeds, then add some oil. As soon as it warms up, I add my mustard seeds. And as soon as the mustard seed starts popping, I will add the crab. So I've also added a teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic to the oil, and then I've popped the crab. It's been inside for about 5 to 10 minutes now. As you can see, it's turning pink, and I'm ready to take it out. Okay, so here's the crab that was already been fried in the mustard seeds, ginger, garlic, and Methi seeds. It's resting, and as you can see, it's very pink. In my opinion, it does make a huge difference, and it softens the shells a lot. In the pot, I've just got the remainder of the mustard seeds, Methi seeds, and a little bit of the ginger garlic, which I'll add another teaspoon now. And if you need a little bit more oil, you can do that as well. So to the oil, which had the mustard seeds and the Methi, I've added 2 onions, sliced onions, about 4 green chillies, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of Jeera powder. You can also use roasted Jeera seeds, and a stem of curry leaves. I've added 7 tablespoons of my masala. Let it coat nicely in the oil so the flavors are released. Leave it for a few seconds on low. You can turn your stove now down to low. We are going to get ready to add the tomatoes. Okay, so your tomatoes should be prepped and ready, already liquidized before you even start cooking. But I wanted to share with you my little secret. If I had to have one, this would probably be it. I use about 8 large tomatoes, which you can see I've diced, and to that I add 2 chilies. Green chilies. You can leave it out, that's optional if you don't want it to be too spicy. But I also add a stem of of curry leaves. This will all be liquidized together. So 8 large tomatoes, 2 green chilies, and a stem of curry leaves will all be liquidized together and ready for the pot. So I'm adding my 2nd teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic, and I'm getting ready now to add my tomatoes. Okay, to the tomatoes, we're going to add a heaped teaspoon of sugar. So that's our crab base. We're just going to let it simmer for a while before we add our tamarind water and our crab. So for my tamarind water, I've just used about 2 large tablespoons of tamarind. Depending on how sour you like it, I have put Methi seeds in as well. And then you just dilute this, let it dissolve, into the warm water. I will get my hands into it just now, but just to give you an idea how much of water, you can use about a cup or a cup and a half. So this is the best way to actually dissolve all that tamarind. As you can see, it's there. You're gonna mix it in. Okay, so the tamarind has dissolved nicely. I've just taken off any extra tamarind. You can give it a go one more time with this lot, a little bit of warm water again, and get out whatever you can, juices from there. But I'm good to go.
So the crab base has been simmering for about 10 minutes. I'll give it a quick stir and we are ready to add the tamarind water that we've already prepared. It's a nice big bowl now, about almost 2 cups, 1.5 to 2 cups. Give your chutney or crab base a mix. Let this simmer now for another 5 to 10 minutes. We will add some rough salt. And we will add the crab that is resting on the side. Beautiful! I can't stress enough how crucial the base of your crab curry is. It is the foundation for an authentic, flavorful curry. The base is now ready. The tamarind has reduced perfectly. It's been a few minutes and I'm ready to add the crab. Drop your crab in slowly. Empty everything out of your bowl, including the excess mustard seeds and methi seeds. As you can see, the beautiful color is evolving. Coat your crab with all that gravy. I have about 2 kgs of extra large crab. This was not only cut and cleaned by my fishmonger, but it was also given a slight bash, so it allows the gravy to infuse into the crab meat. Don't forget to add your rough salt. We are now ready to close the pot and let it simmer on a medium heat for about 35 to 40 minutes. It should be ready at that time, but remember with crab, the longer you wait, the better it is. It's even better the next day. So it's been cooking for a while. I've tasted a bit and it needs a little bit of salt, so I added some fine salt now. You rather have less than more. You can always put in some salt, but you can't take anything out. Let it cook a little bit longer. Close the pot. It's been about 30 minutes now. We're nearing the end, so I'm going to add my cloves of garlic. If you like, garlic just gives your curry a little bit of dimension. It's nice to have a little bit of garlic on the side to bite on if it doesn't melt. Give it one more mix. Leave it for another 15 to 20 minutes. So your crab has been in now for about 45 minutes in the chutney. Is the garlic ready? Let's check one. Yes, it's ready. Get into the bottom of your gravy to make sure it doesn't get stuck, and use your discretion. If you need some boiling water, go ahead and use it. We're almost there. Next, add some of your dhania, some fresh dhania, but not just as a garnish. There's something magical about dhania in the gravy when it's cooked. My suggestion is you add it to your curry. It will give it a lovely, lovely flavor and a beautiful color. So let it simmer into the gravy.
As you can see, all the oil came to the top. Now it's really got a beautiful color.
And there you have it, my Durban crab curry all done. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is out. Kindly like and share my video, and your comments are very welcome. See you again soon.